Hi there guys, so today I have got an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4. Now if anyone's watched my channel before, you know this will be quite a mix-up for me as I am such an iPhone fan. But I did get the chance to use the Galaxy Z Flip 3 last year and I really enjoyed using that device, but there were just a few little niggles that sort of made it not as good a phone for me as I thought it could have been. And the two things that I thought of were the camera and the battery life. So when I saw the Z Flip 4 was coming out, I looked at the improvements and it seems like they are the things that they have improved on. So for me, I just thought, I really want to get my hands on this device. So this should come out on the 26th of August and it's currently the 22nd. So Samsung have sort of got this out to me a little bit earlier than anticipated, which I'm not complaining about at all. And I've gone for this in the graphite colour, 256GB of storage. It comes in this big black box. Pull here to discover your Galaxy Z Flip 4. Box and the paper inside can be recycled, which is always good. Let's have a look. Pull this tab. There we go. Unfold your world. Let's see what it says here. What's this? All right, okay, so I did a little trade-in offer, so that's how to get that other phone back to them. I've just seen in the box as well, I'm hiding the code, but I've got a £100 voucher, which I didn't know about, which is really good. So a few perks with this phone. I got the phone with a student discount, so 15% off. £250 for trading in any other device, so it was just an old device that I'm trading in. And then that's really good that you get a £100 voucher off, and that's on the Samsung website. You can spend that on watches and accessories, which is really good. Now this is the main event, the actual phone itself. So let's just undo these seals here with a nice big knife, because why not? There we go, and this one. There we go. Okay, so here's the best bit, actually unboxing the Flip. Let's turn it around the right way. And there we have it. That's the Z Flip 4 in the graphite colour. Now let's just take it out of this plastic that we've got there. Very small box, quite similar to what Apple are doing with their iPhones. There's barely anything in it. So this is the device itself. Let's take this wrapper off. There's a little tab here. You can just unpeel. And there we have it. Compared to the Z Flip 3, this has sort of squarer corners. It's more matte on the actual device and then sort of shiny around the edges, which I really like. And I do really like this design as well. I don't know if it's just because it's a brand new device, but the hinge also feels a bit more robust, a bit more rugged. It is a very nice looking device. The actual hinge space here is shortened compared to the last one. Some stickers still on here that I can remove. And on the bottom bit. Now I did have the Z Flip 3 for a little while and I can already tell that this kind of feels a bit more premium in the hand. It just feels a bit more well built, that's what I'll say. It's got nice sort of anodized metal edges. Bit of a bigger gap I'd say in between. Let's see what else we actually get in the box for a second. Okay, so in the top bit here. So we get a little compartment in the box. Let's see what else there is. Got a quick start guide, bit of warranty information and other little bits of information. And then we've got the USB-C to USB-C charging port. There is no brick included in this, so any wall adapter. There is also a nice little fancy SIM eject tool up here. I plan on using eSIM in this phone, so I won't actually be needing that. So now we've done that, let's power it up for the first time and see what we are presented with. So there's this sort of lock button here, / fingerprint sensor. I'm just gonna turn it on, see if there's any charge, and hopefully there is. There we go. And there we are, we're just presented with the start button. So I'm just going to configure it for me. English, United Kingdom, next. So I've just connected to my Wi-Fi. It's going to ask for service provider, but I'm not adding a SIM just yet. I've just skipped that for now. Another thing I can confirm compared to the Z Flip 3, the bezels around are more narrow, so they're not as chunky this time, so it looks kind of nicer. It's quite a narrow device, but I do like the form factor. I've just skipped through a few bits and signed into my Google account, but I'm just now going to add my fingerprint on the phone. And now we're on to scanning the fingerprints. So if we just place our thumb here, where it would naturally sit, change the position up a little bit. There we go, that's now added. It's just getting it all ready now. So now we're all set up and I'm gonna finish. And there we have it. We're all signed into the phone. Let's just turn down the brightness a little bit because it goes a very bright screen, but we'll just turn it down a little bit just so the camera is better with it. So when it's closed, we've got this 1.9 inch cover screen, which I absolutely love. You can do a few little bits with it. Play music, alarms, voice recorder, timer, things like that. You can add other widgets, weather, schedule, health, 3 contacts that you can now call, and then smart things sense, whatever that is, for like a smart home app. So that's really good. Then if we go the other way, we've got all of our notifications, which is always nice to see on the front screen, and you can just clear them if you want. You can also access the camera through here if you double tap. We've got the camera. You can see my little makeshift iPhone with the sellotape, very professional. You can swipe across, you can do the wide, you can do the regular camera. It's all fun and games with this handset. I've also just listened to the speakers and I can confirm they are better than the previous generation as well. Look, I think that was just a quick unboxing and a look at the Z Flip 4. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll reply to them. And if you want any more videos on the handset, just also pop that down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. But yeah, this was just an unboxing of the Z Flip 4 handset from Samsung. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, thank you for watching.